What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And if you haven't seen the video where we discuss and try to repair the collet issue on our Gen 3 impact driver, go on over to this video here. But some of the comments in that video were, hey Vince, you're really abusing that tool, or you've used it in extended periods of time where you're putting it under heavy use. I mean, a new tool under reasonable conditions wouldn't exhibit that collet flaw. Or some of the questions were, you're using Bosch bits, and it could be that the size of the Bosch bit inside this 1/4-inch collet, they're not meshing up correctly, okay? That's the reason why it's letting go. So what we have here is the Milwaukee Fuel Gen 3 impact driver. This is the 1-key version, but they're sporting the same collet. Now this tool is literally brand new. And I will say, I'm looking at the collet. You can see in there a fair amount of grease. So that is the original equipment is grease. But I figured we drill a couple holes and let's see what we get. You will see that it is quick insertion. The bit is maintained. I'm not seeing any extra play. Maybe I am. We'll say this Gen 3 impact has been through some battles. The brand new one does seem smoother. A lot of people say things like, you should clean out your coal, and you get other people who say, you shouldn't clean out you got all kinds of things. People on the internet always come up with all types of situation scenarios. It's just that the reality is that if we can drive or drill through, and that was a 1-inch paddle, if we're able to drive through these 3 2x4s into the pressure treated underneath, and not have to clean out the hole, I mean, the tool is doing the work. My thing is that if the tool can do the work, it should have a collet to retain the bit. Now, I will say this. I don't remember when this was new, it having the issue of it releasing the drill bits. And I've said to myself that it's a product of heavy use and hard use. This tool is brand new. Let's see what happens. That's sad. That's literally sad. You've seen that, right? Well, that time, that last final time, it held it. A lot of people are saying, it's because you're using Bosch. It's not exactly the correct size. Well, here we go. We got a Milwaukee. This is a 1-inch. This is there. If you wanted to see a review for this, you could go right here, an unboxing. This is their 1-inch. This is their fast wood boring bit. Go right here. Maybe it is the issue. I guess we're going to have to do some further testing to determine if it really is the impact driver or if it's maybe these Bosch bits. And the reason we've seen it exhibit an issue over and over again during tool test roll, if you don't know what that is, go right here, is because we really do use these pretty exclusively in the testing. Maybe they damaged this collet from the extended use of being too loose or machined incorrectly. Let us know down below in the comments section. Do you think that the collet problem isn't a huge issue with the Milwaukee? Do you think it's an issue with these Bosch Daredevil Spade bits that cause the issue? Give us your feedback down below. Have you had experience with these bits? I mean, they cut fast. They really do drill a hole quickly. But maybe on the back end, the business end, the real business end, maybe it caused some problems. But there's only one way for us to determine that, and that's to do further testing. And if you like YouTube creators that do further testing and keep you filled in on the process, then get subscribed. Tap the bell notification, because we're going to keep updating everybody on what's going on, because that's what we do here. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. Thanks a lot, everyone. We'll see you on the next one. It's apparent. Look at the size difference. Look at the machining. Like, look at the machining and size difference. Look at it. You see that?
Hold on. There you go. Yeah, you can see a big difference.
You see the difference or not?
Yeah.
Now, is that the reason for the release? Maybe not. But could it have damaged, being so loose in this collet, could it have damaged that collet if we were using the proper bit in this tool? The problem is that if it's impact rated, you know, I think it still shouldn't have had that problem. And the other thing is that there are other impacts that are not releasing on this bit. But is it not designed for? I don't know. We're going to keep testing. We're going to keep you in the loop. See you on the next one, everybody.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.